Is your everyday dollar feeling a little lonely? Like it's not quite pulling its weight in the world of digital finance? What if I told you there's a place where your dollar could be part of something much bigger, a place where it transforms into a key that unlocks a world of opportunities? We're talking about Beam Wallet, a fascinating platform in the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. And today, we're diving deep into a question many of you have been asking: how much is $1 on Beam Wallet? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of conversion rates and digital assets, let's set the stage. Beam Wallet isn't your average digital wallet. It's built on the Beam blockchain, which emphasizes privacy and confidentiality, two things that are becoming increasingly valuable in our interconnected world. Think of it as a secure vault for your digital holdings, designed to give you control and anonymity. This unique focus means that when you're dealing with Beam, you're not just looking at a simple currency exchange, you're entering an ecosystem with its own set of dynamics. So, back to our burning question: how much is $1 on Beam Wallet? This isn't a straightforward answer like converting USD to Euro. When you interact with Beam Wallet using your dollar, you're primarily looking at acquiring Beam's native cryptocurrency, also known as Beam. The value of Beam, like any cryptocurrency, is constantly fluctuating based on market demand, supply, technological advancements, and overall sentiment within the crypto community. To give you a concrete number at any given moment, you'd need to check a live cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Binance, Kraken, or CoinMarketCap provide real-time data on the Beam/USD trading pair. For instance, as of July 29, 2025, one Beam is roughly trading between $0.0079 and $0.0085 USD. This means that $1 could get you approximately 117 to 126 Beam tokens, depending on the exact live exchange rate you're looking at. It's a dynamic relationship, much like traditional foreign exchange markets, but often with more volatility. But it's not just about the raw conversion. When you bring your dollar into the Beam ecosystem, you're gaining access to more than just a digital asset. You're participating in a privacy-centric network. You can send and receive transactions with enhanced confidentiality, explore decentralized applications, dApps, built on the Beam blockchain, and even contribute to the network's security through various mechanisms. Your dollar, once converted to Beam, becomes a unit of value within this unique, privacy-preserving digital economy. It's also important to understand that the value of your dollar on Beam Wallet can also extend beyond its direct conversion to Beam. It represents your entry point into a community that prioritizes financial privacy and innovation. As the Beam ecosystem grows and develops new features and use cases, the utility and, consequently, the perceived value of your Beam holdings could evolve. So, while the immediate answer to how much is $1 on Beam Wallet is a real-time exchange rate, the long-term answer involves embracing the potential of a privacy-focused digital future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.